Looking for a level that delivers pinpoint accuracy and smart features in one sturdy package? The SOLA Digital Level offers a tolerance of just 0.05 degree at 0 degrees and 90 degrees, and 0.10 degrees between 1 degree and 89 degrees, ensuring your measurements are rock solid every time. Whether you're setting beams, installing cabinets, or tackling complex projects, this tool guarantees precision you can trust. What sets this level apart is its digital measured value display, which makes reading angles and leveling easier than ever. You can switch the inclination display between degrees, percent, millimeters per meter, or inches per foot, whatever suits your workflow. Plus, the display automatically rotates when the level is inverted, so you never have to twist your neck or guess the numbers. The permanent backlit screen keeps everything visible, even in dim lighting, while the patented SOLA FOCUS vials add an extra layer of reliability. I've tested many levels, but the SOLA Digital Level stands out for its rugged build and thoughtful design. Made from durable aluminum and rated IP65 for protection against dust and water, it's built to handle tough job sites. The strong magnet holds tight to metal surfaces, so you can work hands-free without worrying about the level slipping or falling. And when visibility gets tricky, the acoustic signal guide steps in, letting you know when you've hit the perfect angle without needing to look. The real game changer? The Bluetooth interface paired with the SOLA Measures app. This free app lets you transfer measurements in real time straight to your phone or tablet. You can even control the level remotely, add notes, photos, or videos to your stored results, and overlay photos with live data like measuring values, date, and time. It's a smart way to keep your projects organized and share results instantly with your team or clients. If you're tired of guessing or double-checking your work, the SOLA Digital Level offers a precise, reliable, and connected solution. It's worth a look if you want to upgrade your toolkit with a level that works as hard as you do. Try it when you're ready to experience how technology and craftsmanship come together to simplify measuring and leveling. Ready to take your accuracy and efficiency up a notch? The SOLA Digital Level brings you what you need: exact measurements, easy reading, and smart app features, all wrapped in a tough, dependable design. If that's you, explore the SOLA Digital Level today and see how it changes your approach to every project.